Welcome to my playroom! Today we're going to learn about colours and shapes with my amazing shape sorter. Oh, wow, look! So many colourful shapes to sort. But first, let's sing the hello song. Will you sing it with me? Hello, hello, my name's Miss Apple. Hello, hello, what is your name? Take a deep breath, shout it out loud. Yay! Hello, hello, it's nice to see you again. Well done, thank you for singing with me. Let's have a look at all of these amazing shapes. Where shall we start? What shape is this? Do you know what shape this is? That's right, it's a circle. It's a circle. Let's use our finger to draw a big circle in the air. Can you do that with me? A big circle as wide as you can. Wow, well done. This circle is orange. It's an orange circle. Orange starts with an O sound. O, O, orange. Yeah, that's the letter O. Shall we try and do the sign for orange? Let's put our hands like this and pretend we're squeezing a big juicy orange. Squeeze. Orange, orange. Just like that. That's the sign for orange. Orange. Well done. Now where does this orange go? Does it go here? That shape doesn't look the same. How about this one? Let's try drawing the circle again in the air with our finger. Whoa. Does that match? Yes. Okay, let's put it in. In, put it in. Yay! We sorted the orange circle. Okay, let's see what other colours and shapes we have in here. How about this shape? Do you know what shape this is? That's right, it's a triangle. This is a triangle. Wow, shall we try drawing a triangle in the air with our finger? We go down, across and up. Can you do that with me? Down, across and up. That's right. This is a purple triangle. A purple triangle. Purple starts with the P sound. P, P, purple. Yay! Shall we learn the sign for purple? What could that be? We put our finger up like this. We make a circle with our other hand and we go purple, purple. That's right. Can you try? Purple. Well done. Okay, let's find out where to put the purple triangle. I think this one might match. What do you think? Let's try and do the shape again in the air. Down, across and up. Yes, that's it. It matches. Okay, let's put it in. In, put it in. Yay, we did it. Let's see what other shapes we have. Just rummaging around in my pot of shapes. Ooh, what shape is this? Do you know what shape this is? That's right, it's a square. It's a square. A square has 4 sides. Let's try and draw it in the air with our finger. We go across, down, across, up. That's right. Shall we try it again? Across, down, across, up. Well done. This square is blue. That's right, it's a blue square. And blue starts with the B sound. Blue starts with the B sound. B, B. Blue. Yay! Oh, I think we should try and learn the sign for blue. Okay, can you try it with me? We take 2 fingers just like this and we make a little circle on our wrist. Just like that. Blue, blue. Well done. Okay, let's try and find where to put the blue square. I think it might go here. What do you think? Shall we try and make the square again in the air with our finger and see if it matches? Across, down, across, up. Yay! It matches. Okay, let's put it in. In, put it in. Yay! We are sorting so many shapes. I wonder what's next. Let's have a look. Ooh, this happens to be one of my favourite shapes. Do you know what it's called? That's right, it's called a star. This is a star. Wow. Let's pretend our hands are stars in the sky, like this, twinkling in the night sky. Can you do that with your hands? Yay! Wow, that's amazing. So sparkly. This star is red. It's the colour red. Red starts with the sound. Red. Yes. Shall we try learning the sign for red? Yes? Okay. Let's put our finger to our lips, and as we pull it away, we make the shape of a letter R. Red. Red. Can you try it with me? Red. Well done. Now the challenging part. Let's try and find out where to put the shape. Does it go here? Do those shapes match? No, I think that one might be a square. Let's try this one. Do those shapes match? Yes, they do. That's amazing. Let's put it in. In, put it in. Yay! We've still got some shapes to sort. Can you hear that? Oh, I wonder what shape's going to be next. Whoa, what shape is that? What shape is that? Do you know? That's right, it's a hexagon. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Shall we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shall we do it again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. Now this hexagon is blue. Do you remember the sign for blue? That's right, let's try it together. We put 2 fingers onto our wrist and make a little circle, just like this. Well done. Okay, time to put it in. In, put it in. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, I have another hexagon. This time it's the colour purple. That's right, it's the colour purple. Okay, let's try and do the sign for purple. Do you remember? We put one finger up, we make a circle, and purple. Purple. Well done. Okay, we'll put it in with the other hexagon. Is this the right one? Yes. Okay. In, put it in. We have two more shapes in here. Let's have a look. What colour is this hexagon? What colour is this hexagon? That's right, it's orange. It's orange. Do you remember the sign for orange? Let's try it together. We put our hand like this and we squeeze. Orange. Orange. Yay! Okay, let's put it in with the other hexagons. In, put it in. Yay! And we have one shape left. I wonder what colour it will be. Wow! What colour is this hexagon? What colour is this hexagon? That's right, it's red. It's a red hexagon. Do you remember the sign for red? Let's try it together. We put our finger to our lips and we make an R shape with our finger, just like this. Red. 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 Well done. Let's just make sure it's got all the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. I'll put it in with the other hexagons. In, put it in. Well done. Thank you for helping me to sort all my shapes. Great dancing! Well done! Thank you so much for helping me to sort all of my shapes. See you next time.